Hello everybody, we're sitting here, it's the 7th of March. We promised today trading was going to go live on our blockchain. We have been sitting since already yesterday and testing. Yesterday everything went well on our portal, and today when we started to mass produce some testings, and this I can show on the blockchain later, that we have been testing this portal before making it public to everybody. We're incurring an issue. It's a bug which allows some people to bridge or to use the portal, and sometimes it stops, especially on the second time that a person tries to bridge from the same device. Then we occur an issue. Right now it's already getting evening and nighttime. The majority of the time zones that we have our investors and our followers, our developers will be sitting here all night and trying to fix this, so we get a very smooth user experience. But me as a CEO, I went in to our elite group, which we have our elite group. We have went in there and we have discussed what is the best solution. The best solution, and this is something that I support 100%, is that we delay the launch, because we don't want to keep people awake for the night and we don't find a solution, and it will have to be delayed anyway, because if we don't find a solution, we simply cannot go to the public. We have some private groups that are following us very, very closely, and if they experience issues on the user friendliness part of this, then that will be a big turn-off for them, and this will be a long-term turn-off, not only a short-term turn-off. At the same time, we have to remember that the majority of all of you who are here and the majority of the new investors that's coming in are actually not familiar with blockchain. They would prefer to buy with a credit card or with bank transfer. So with having this issue, that will be a big turn-off for everybody. So I have making the decision that we are going to delay the launch. We're going to delay it until Tuesday next week, because we don't want to try to launch in 1 day or 2 days and the issue still occurs. So we have decided that we are going to delay it until next week. This also allows us time to free up to make a real countdown towards the mainnet, to align our social media and our content to really reflect this and gives this an extra push. I'm truly sorry that this issue occurred, and this is obviously something that can always happen, issues in technology. I can show you guys that we have 2 testnets. We have the public testnet and then we have our private testnet, and we have done millions of transactions through this bridge, and it has never occurred any problems on our testnet. Now we're exploring this issue, this bug on the mainnet, and I have to underline, it's not a security issue. There is nothing done in terms of the security aspect of this. It's simply the user friendliness part of how all of this works. But as we know that we are going towards a market where people, they want a very good user experience, and we have always in the past delivered a very good user experience. I simply cannot allow us to go live with these parameters. So I'm very, very sorry guys, we have to delay the launch a little bit. We're now going to set a new time, and it's going to be the 12th. It's going to be 20 UTC. It's going to be very, very streamlined. My team will come on even stronger from tomorrow, make sure that we get even more eyes on us. And as a little surprise, we do have some whale groups that are sitting and watching us. Some of them have been sneaking into the main group, but most of them we have basically asked not to come in, because we wanted to surprise you guys. As you can see, I am a little bit tired. I've been working many hours, so this will also allow myself and my team to use the weekend to recover a little bit our energy, and get in more fresh and more strong. And from next week we're gonna go live, and I'm gonna come with daily updates for you guys, so you know exactly where we are standing. I'm also going to come with more tutorials and more material, so you all know what's happening here. I'm also due with some information which I haven't come live with, simply because I've been pressed on time, and this will give me the time to use the coming days to produce this content for you guys and publish it before our mainnet launch. I pray that everybody will accept my decision, and that we are going to have a very, very good mainnet launch next week. I will push forward for a lot of other surprises that's going to be ready for us for mainnet. now when we delay it a few extra days, I'm gonna come with some extra things for the community, because as you all know, there's many things that are still lacking for a new network. Thanks everybody for listening in. I truly hope that we will see a main chat without any thought, without anything. This is a team decision. It's essentially my decision. We have been out to the core supporters and asked them, and I know that a lot of people are supporting my decision. I also know that there's some people that are not so supportive about my decision, but please, I ask for you all to not make any thought in our main chat. Let's get a good mainnet launch, and it's only going to be a few days delays, guys. Thanks for listening in. Looking forward to the mainnet launch, and we're soon going to have an AMA.